Do you want to access another device remotely without being there? Check the description for a mail, techcontenttintel5@gmail.com, to connect with the ultimate remote access expert who can guide you. Alright, let's jump in. Imagine you're at home, but you need a file from your office computer. Or maybe your friend needs tech support, but they're miles away. That's where remote device access comes in. It lets you control another computer, tablet, or phone from anywhere, like you're sitting right in front of it. It's a game changer for productivity, IT support, and collaborating with your team. First up, RDP, or Remote Desktop Protocol. This is built into most Windows machines, and it lets you take full control. Move the mouse, open apps, transfer files. All you need is the computer's IP address and login credentials. Super handy for Windows users working from home or managing servers. Next, SSH, Secure Shell. SSH is all about secure command line access, mostly used for Linux or Mac devices. With SSH, you can run commands, edit files, troubleshoot a server from anywhere, and all the data is encrypted. It's a favorite for developers and sysadmins. Then there's VNC, Virtual Network Computing. VNC works across just about any operating system. It gives you a graphical interface so you see the other device's desktop and interact with it almost like you're there. Great for cross-platform work or helping out someone who's not super techy. And of course, you've got third-party apps like TeamViewer. These apps make remote access incredibly easy. No need for complicated setup. Just install the software, share an access code, and you're connected. TeamViewer even lets you share screens, transfer files, or chat during the session. Let's look at some real-world scenarios. Picture this. You're a freelancer, traveling, and suddenly need to update a project file that's on your desktop at home. With remote access, you just log in, grab the file, and get back to work. No panic, no delay. Or maybe you're helping your parents set up their printer, but you're not there in person. Fire up TeamViewer, take control, and fix the problem in minutes. The bottom line? Remote access is your superpower for convenience, productivity, and helping others, whether you're working, troubleshooting, or just staying connected. For the best remote access fast, send a message to the mail in the description to our top remote access expert. Plus, like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips.